Color once lied to humanity. For thousands of years, people believed color was something added to light, stains painted onto brightness by glass, water, or air itself. Red, blue, green, they were thought to be impurities, distortions, accidents of the medium. Light, everyone agreed, was pure and colorless. And then, in a quiet room in England in 1704, one man decided to challenge that belief with a single beam of sunlight. The room was dark, the curtains drawn tight. Dust floated invisibly in the air. Isaac Newton pierced the wall with a tiny hole, just wide enough for the sun to slip through. That narrow beam struck a triangular prism, and suddenly the wall bloomed into color. Not a blur, not chaos, but a precise, ordered ribbon. Red, orange, yellow, green, indigo, violet. It was beautiful and deeply unsettling, because Newton noticed something no one had dared to claim before. The prism hadn't created the colors. It had revealed them. He moved the prism. The colors stayed in the same order. He changed the angle. The colors bent, but never mixed. Then came the dangerous step. He passed a single color through a second prism. If color were an impurity, it should change again. It didn't. Red stayed red. Blue stayed blue. Each color behaved like a law, not a stain. That was the moment the world quietly cracked open. Newton realized that white light wasn't simple. It was crowded. It carried all colors within it, hidden, not waiting to be separated. Color wasn't decoration. It was structure. Light itself had rules. This discovery didn't just rewrite optics. It rewired how humans understood reality. Painters would never see pigments the same way again. Scientists began measuring color as something physical, something quantifiable. Rainbows stopped being omens and became evidence. Even the sky, blue not by divine choice but by scattering light, started to make sense. But Newton paid a price. His claim challenged centuries of belief. Critics attacked him. Some called his colors illusions. Others accused him of trickery. Yet the experiments never lied. Repeat, and the truth appeared again on the wall, silent and undeniable. Color was no longer myth. It was math. In that dark room, with a prism and a beam of sun, humanity crossed a line, from seeing color as magic to understanding it as a language written into light itself. A language we still use today, from screens and cameras to art, physics, and the very way we see the world. And every time you notice a rainbow, you're witnessing the same revelation Newton did. Light, finally telling the truth. If this story sparked your curiosity, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what everyday thing would you want to see explained in a whole new way?